Hello everyone! Welcome back to Japan Diaries with Hazel. Samahan niyo ako today sa isang simple pero very real na araw. Walking home after a clinic visit. Usapang women's health muna tayo because today was about dealing with my menopausal symptoms. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng puro stress. Kailangan may me time din tayo, 'di ba? Galing ako sa clinic today and honestly, hindi siya madaling face. Menopause? Hindi siya madalas pag-usapan, pero totoo siya. And it affects us in so many ways. May days na okay ka, may days na parang, teka lang, anong nangyari sa katawan ko? O ano mga mamshake, relate ba kayo? So instead of going straight home, naglakad muna ako. Sometimes, walking helps clear the mind. Kahit simple lang, lakad, hangin, tahimik na paligid. Dito sa Japan, ang sarap maglakad. Parang therapy na rin. Hi guys! At ito na nga, I decided to treat myself sa Komida Coffee. Ito yung moment na kailangan ko. Just sitting down, slowing things down. Grabe yung aroma ng kape. Parang instant reset button siya. Alam mo yung feeling na kahit saglit lang, ikaw muna. No pressure, no overthinking. Just coffee, quiet, and breathing. Importante talaga yung ganitong moments, lalo na when your body is going through changes. Hindi selfish ang magpahinga, kasi kailangan natin siya. Alam nyo, one thing na natutunan ko right now is to listen to my body. Lalo na sa ating mga moms, sanay tayo na unahin ang iba, lalo na ang pamilya at trabaho, hanggang sa makalimutan na natin ang sarili natin. Pero this premenopausal stage hits different. Your body will force you to slow down. Yung pagod na hindi mo maipaliwanag, mood swings, emotions, hindi yan arte. It's your body asking for care. And sometimes, just enjoying your own company, even for a few quiet moments, makakatulong siyang mag-slow down. Walang pressure, walang expectations. So ngayon, I'm choosing to pause when I need to rest without guilt, and to be kinder to myself. Kasi hindi mo maaalagaan ng iba kung hindi mo inaalagaan ang sarili mo. And that's not selfish, that's self-respect. And mga kadayaris, pagkatapos kong magkape at namnamin ang aking me time, after that, naglakad ulit ako. And guess what I found? Beautiful sakura lang naman po dito sa Chokoen. Grabe, ang ganda nila as in. Nakakapos ng buhay. Charot. Sakura season, sobrang bilis no? Parang reminder na everything is temporary. Pero maybe that's why it's so special. Habang tinitingnan ko sila, parang naisip ko, kahit may pinagdadaanan tayo, there's still beauty around us. You just have to slow down enough to notice it. So ayun, I took my time, took some shots, and just appreciated the moment. Today wasn't perfect, but it was meaningful. From clinic visit to coffee break to sakura moments. Minsan, ganito lang, small wins, small posts, small joys. And that's enough. So ayun na nga mga diaries, from hormonal struggles to coffee healing to sakura feeling. Kompleto ang araw natin today. Kung may pinagdadaanan ka rin, take it easy ha. Hindi ka nag-iisa. At kung stress ka, baka kailangan mo lang din ng kape or sakura or both. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Support nyo naman ako habang nilalabanan ko ang menopause era ko. See you in my next vlog. Bye!